In this video, learn how to process certified mail. Once logged into S.M.A.R.T, proceed to shipping. From here, you can actually enter your information, get your package information, account, and then process. To do this, under Ship to Address, select the database icon, choose the account, and press OK. All information is filled in. Now, go to Package Detail. Put your package on the scale to get the weight, or you can come back and select the package. Select Package Type and go to the USPS tab. Select your package type, then press OK. Notice that once this is selected, all the dimensions are entered automatically for the package. It also shows you on the top right exactly what is selected. From here, you have an option to go to USPS and select Service. You can add extra services by clicking on Modify Extra Services. In Extra Services, there will be different options and services available. In this case, check Certified Mail. If you are using Certified Mail, there is a fee associated with it. Once this is turned on, there is an option to do a return receipt or an electronic return receipt. These are optional, and you can check them or uncheck them as needed. After this, select OK, and the system is ready to process. Accounts and reference fields are not required, so these do not have to be filled in unless you prefer to enter an account number. Once complete, select Process Shipment. Once you process the shipment, the label will say Certified Mail.